2013, 2014 model year Sunseeker Sport Yacht 80. The boat is so sleek, so big and so bold. 4 stateroom, up and down platform, big garage, very good salon, but the boat is giving the very best of it in navigation. The owner told us, look, the compromise here that you got very good volumes, but the way she goes in the water at 25-26 knots, cruise speed, almost in every sea condition. Have a look at the photo shooting we've been taking, because a naked is something definitely good. You've seen the valuable space we got here in the cockpit, and from the cockpit we hit straight down into the salon, and here we are on this settees that you have on the main deck. You got a dining table, you have very good lounging here in the middle with an up and down TV on the side, and from here straight into the lower deck where the 4 stateroom and the galley are. Look at the flybridge up here. This is Sporty 80 and it's supposed to be a sport flies, means reduced in favor of the sleeker line outside. But this flybridge is very cozy and very big. Everything here is thick and bold. Look at the settees you have. You can definitely put up a party up here. All you're missing is grilled shrimps. So let's pump something out. Three reasons why I do like this boat. The first one is actually 3-in-1, because the cockpit, the flybridge, and the bow deck are just fantastic. The second one is down to the performances and the seakeeping, because with their twin MTU with their 3 turbochargers each are confirming a cruise speed of 25-26 knots almost in every seas condition. And the third one, last but not least, I like the way she looks, because the exterior side sleek line is just beautiful. Timoneyachts followers, take care!